Hi, it's immigration lawyer Elaine Martin, and I know that one of the areas of primary interest to the people who are viewing this channel is priority dates and when they are likely to be current. I'll do my best to keep you updated on any changes in priority dates. Do make sure you to subscribe to the channel so you can get those updates as soon as they come out. Click a like if you like this video, share it with your friends, and especially please leave me a comment. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see covered in future videos. As for the projections for priority dates now for the next couple of months, the Department of State does come out with those every month, and they recently came out with their predictions for the next few months. The Department of State estimates that because there's been a very high level of demand in employment-based categories, that instead of the EB2 and EB3 being current, they may end up with a fixed date by January 2020. So if you have a case that could be filed, do it while the dates remain current. Don't wait until January 2020. There have been 11,000 EB2 applicants. They tell us 13,000 EB3. So make sure you get those files and those adjustment cases in particular in. Again, with employment-based, there's a real possibility that EB3 worldwide will have a final action date instead of being current as early as January 2020. EB3 Philippines has used apparently a lot of the available numbers so far this year. So to avoid retrogression, they may not move forward as quickly as they have been moving forward. EB3 Mexico, extremely high, about 75% of the volume since October 2019, and we need to watch those very carefully. As for family categories, they recommend or they expect that F2A will remain current for the foreseeable future. The person at the Department of State, Charlie Oppenheimer, is surprised by the low demand, but it's good for everybody that is applying. There is a very high level of demand for family-based categories for Mexico, so there shouldn't be a lot of forward movement there. Also, a big increase in demand for F4. I know a lot of people who watch this ask about the fourth preference category, brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens. He doesn't expect any retrogression in the near future, no backward movement, but it could stay pretty slow moving forward. Another important point that he makes is that people who are eligible to apply are not able to continue or finish the process because apparently, in his words, applicants are failing to become documentarily qualified as quickly as they could be. This means they're not getting all the documents together that they need. If they're in consular processing, NVC is probably going back over and over, telling them that there's missing documents. Sometimes it's a mistake in NVC's part, and sometimes it may be the applicant's mistake. So it is maybe a good time to get a lawyer involved to make sure that there aren't any mistakes in your documents, especially if dates are going to slow down or even retrogress. I hope this has helped. As mentioned at the start, please subscribe to make sure you keep up to date with future videos. Like this if you've liked it and share it with your friends, and please leave me a comment and let me know what you'd like to see covered in future. Thanks.